In today's video, we are going to cover how to add an IRA contribution in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the return you want to work on. Once you are in the main tax file, go to the Federal section, then open Deductions and Credits. This is where TurboTax groups entries that may affect your taxable income, including retirement contributions. Scroll to the Retirement and Investments area and select Traditional and Roth IRA contributions. TurboTax will open a screen titled Tell us about your IRAs. On this screen, choose the type of IRA contribution you need to enter. You can check Traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or both if you contributed to both account types during the tax year. Make sure your selection matches the contribution you are reporting, then click Continue. The next part confirms whether you actually made contributions to the IRA type you selected for that tax year. Indicate whether you contributed, and then move forward. Based on your answers, TurboTax may ask a few follow up questions about retirement distribution repayments and military reservist distributions. If either situation applies to you, answer those questions using the details from your records. If not, continue through that section. You will then be asked to enter your total IRA contribution amount. Type in the full amount contributed for the tax year. In some cases, TurboTax will also ask whether any of that contribution was made between January 1st and the tax filing deadline for the prior tax year. If that prompt appears, enter the amount that was made during that period so TurboTax can apply it correctly. Be careful to enter only the amount that belongs to the year being reported on that screen. After that, TurboTax may ask whether you made excess IRA contributions in prior years. If you did, select the appropriate answer and enter the amount requested. This is important because prior excess contributions can affect how the current year is handled. If you did not make excess contributions in earlier years, answer accordingly and continue. Next, indicate whether you have any non-deductible IRA contributions from prior years. If you do, enter that information when prompted. If you do not, continue to the next screen. This part helps TurboTax track any basis that may already exist in your IRA history. Before finishing, review the IRA contribution information you entered. Check the IRA type, the contribution amount, and any prior year details you added for excess or non-deductible contributions. If anything looks off, go back and correct it before saving. When everything matches your records, click Continue to save your entries and return to the Deduction section. Your IRA contribution information is now added and saved in TurboTax.